Yo, what's up everybody? My name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the F hi-hat.
ADK Beatbox.
The F hi-hat is one of the most important variation of the normal hi-hat and I consider it as one of the most essential and core sound that you need to learn as a beatboxer. To learn this sound, it's pretty simple. First, you take any word with the letter F like fish, frog, farm or friends and emphasize on the initial F and remove the vocals from it to get the sound. Like friends, friends, friends. And when you compare the normal hi-hats with the F hi-hats, the F hi-hat sounds more bassy on the mic since the impact spot is right on top of your lips and hence produces more bass frequencies on the mic. And as with the normal hi-hats too, the F hi-hats in short bursts, so it sounds more sharp and precise. And after you get the sound, a perfect practice beat would be and another practice beat with the normal hi-hat would be like and one more intermediate pattern would be like and that's pretty much it for this tutorial guys. I hope you people learn this sound and if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, do drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.